Okay, guys, so we're in the other part here in Madrid, other part of the Plaza Sol, and look, we made it to Gran Via. And they got their own tree too. Dope. Look at McDonald's lit up. We are ready for Christmas, guys. And over there, straight ahead, is Sueca. Sueca is gay capital of this country and probably Europe. So yeah, look at that, guys. Super dope. Beautiful sight. Nice tree. And then, you know, we got Gran Via, but Gran Via's not lit up. That's kind of weird. Well, I guess one part is and the other part is not. Look at the light game. Dope. So we're gonna travel here a little bit and let's see some lights and the beautiful city, obviously, of Madrid. My favorite home place. One of my homes. At least at the minimum. So guys, you know, we're asking questions. Have you guys traveled around the world and done Christmases around the world? Was it Christmas? Wasn't it Christmas? What was it like or not like? So leave a comment below for your boy Chocolate. And look at this architecture, guys. I've always been impressed with Madrid. I think Madrid's Gran Via Street is probably one of the best streets in the world in terms of architecture, cleanliness, amount of people, just how it looks in general. It's just a beautiful street. It's very impressive. Mainly hotels and office buildings and you know, retailers and things like that. You know, the big American brands, H&M and all this other good stuff. So one little cool fact, if you guys don't know, is the Sada is obviously from Spain. So most of you guys probably know that. Sada is a Spanish company. So when you buy the products here, they work cheaper. So for example, when I buy a t-shirt, I love to buy tees. The only thing I wear is tees. It'll cost me about $30, you know, over, you know, in the US or overseas, anywhere. But here in Spain, since the taxes are lower, and since it's a Spanish company, I think they probably got some deal with the government. And it's way cheaper. So the same shirt will cost you about 10 euros here, which is the big difference. And, you know, they got really good quality t-shirts. The t-shirts got really great quality. So here's another one here, brand Primark. And yeah, that's some of the beauties of being here in, you know, Spain if you want to buy certain clothes. Now, on the whole, I only go to Dolphin Mall. That's where I go. That's my spot. And that's got some of the best clothes and the cheapest around. So, always super dope dealing with Dolphin Mall, you know. And they'll have Armani and Express and all the big who's who. And always great, guys, to buy clothes. That's some of the best deals. So if you go to the malls there, then you will get the deals of deals. It's always packed with South Americans. They go and buy suitcases on suitcases, bring it back, sell it, or use it for themselves around South America. Because in South America, the prices of clothes are extremely high. They're so high, I don't even consider buying stuff out there. It's not even worth even talking about it. So, you know, that's kind of is with that when it comes to, you know, shopping and stuff like that. So, when you guys shop, where do you guys normally shop at? So I'd like to know. Leave a comment below with your boy Chocolate. And as we said, guys, we're on this world tour. We're about to end this part of the segment. And we're going to be shooting over to Roma. And in Roma, we'll be taking our cruise, guys. We're going back transatlantic. So, obviously, you know, we're excited about that. a nice transatlantic cruise. So that's kind of crazy. Now, one thing I don't like about Spain in general, walking these streets, people are kind of idiots. They like walk into you, bump into you, like walk on the same trajectory as you are. Instead of just being left, you know, you walk on the left and right, they're walking the same damn thing. So that's always super annoying. Well, look here, guys. So we're at Callao. Usually I have a tree here, so no tree here today, and they don't got the lights up either. But like, they got a little Christmas house, which looks dope. The beauty of Callao, guys. And we're gonna try to see if we can get to the Royal Palace. We'll probably try to do that tomorrow in the park and see what that's looking like. That's gotta look amazing over there. So, oh, it's cool, guys. And look at these lights here, super dope. I like the glitter. The glitter looks amazing. Looks amazing, the glitter. All right, guys, we're gonna pause it here. Try to see if we can get over to Plaza Mayor so we can see the light game over there. Well, guys, before we got to Plaza Mayor, look at this big, beautiful heart here and so on. Dope, guys. Just wanted to show you guys that as we travel over to Plaza Mayor. Okay, guys, let's travel over there to Mayor. Okay, guys, so we are floating towards there. And look at the light games here. The light game here is dope. Look at the sparkles of the lights. It is dope, guys. So, you know, every section and every street kind of got like their own little lights. But I think Malaga has some of the best ones. So if you go to my videos last year, you'll see it. They got like these crazy angels. They look insane, guys. Insane. So look at these lights here going into Plaza Mayor. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Nice building there. All right, guys, so we're gonna run over to Mayor and look at the Christmas time, and let's see if they made any changes. A lot of lights look kind of the same here as previous years. When we look at, you know, from the previous years, they kind of look the same. But, you know, big difference is obviously like the tree. The tree is massive. The size of the tree is out of control this year. It really went to another level with that. This is one of my favorite spots there. Museo de Jamón. So that's pretty dope. We got some fake jewelry. It's dope. Let's continue our descent towards Plaza Mayor. Mayor is where they used to kill people at. Kings and queens. They'll whack people over there. They will kill them and bite the neck. And back in the day, you know. Now, you know, they don't do that no more. Just symbol. Play some symbolism. And we are here, guys. So this is where they place the Christmas show and the Christmas market. Same thing you compare to like Germany when they got their Christian market. And we're here at the intro. Pretty dope. So look at this baby, guys. So they got their own tree here, their own lights. If you remember, We did the same one last year. Now let's see if there's any difference. Now this tree looks different than last year's tree. So let's check this one out. I got the little ornaments here, nothing crazy, just little ornaments, stuff like that. Look, this tree is beautiful, guys. Nice lights. That's the plaza, guys. This is Plaza Mayo. And look at this beauty, guys. Now, what's going to be interesting is when we get to see Rome and we start to go to all these other cities. Last time, if you guys remember, we couldn't get off at no port. So now we're going to get off many ports. We're going to see what's the difference. All right, guys? So, let's go. All right, guys, we're going to cut this one and we're going to keep riding on our tour.